Welcome to Asim Code. Your support means the world. Like and subscribe so I can keep bringing more awesome coding content your way. Passing structures to functions allows you to use the data within a structure without needing to access it globally. It helps in making functions more modular, reusable, and manageable. You can pass entire sets of related data, like a student-info, to a function instead of passing individual variables. Types of passing structures. There are two main ways to pass structures to functions. Pass by value. Pass by reference. This example demonstrates how to work with structures in C, specifically showing how to pass a structure to functions both by value and by reference. The structure student holds data about a student, name, age, and grade. The displayStudent function receives a copy of the structure, passed by value, prints the student's details, and attempts to modify the age, which does not affect the original data. The updateStudent function receives a pointer to the original structure, passed by reference, allowing it to directly modify the student's age. This example highlights the difference between passing by value, which works with a copy of the data, and passing by reference, which allows the function to modify the original structure. Including the standard input-output library to enable printing to the console. Define a structure to represent a student. A student has a name, age, and grade. A string array to hold the student's name, up to 49 characters plus 1 for null terminator. Integer variable to store the student's age. Floating point variable to store the student's grade, which can have decimal values. Function that receives the structure by value. Passing by value means a copy of the structure is passed into the function. Here, the student parameter is a copy of the original student structure passed to the function. The function works with this copy, so changes inside the function will not affect the original structure. Print the details of the student. The data is taken from the copy of the structure. Print the name of the student. It accesses the name field of the structure. Print the age of the student. It accesses the age field of the structure. Print the grade of the student. It accesses the grade field of the structure. Modifying the copy of the structure inside the function will not affect the original structure. This change only affects the local student copy, not the original outside the function. Print the modified age in the copy. This line just shows the updated value within the function scope, but the original structure is unchanged. Function that receives the structure by reference. Passing by reference means we are passing the address of the original structure. The student parameter is a pointer to the original structure, which allows the function to modify it directly. This pointer points to the memory address of the original structure, so any change made here will affect the original data. Modify the age field of the original structure through the pointer. Student is a pointer, so we use arrow operator to access the fields of the structure. The change is made directly on the original structure, and we print the updated value. The student's original age has been modified. Main function where the execution starts. Declare and initialize a student1 structure. Here, student1 is an instance of the student structure. Initialize with the name, Alice, age 20, and grade 90.5. Calling the displayStudent function and passing student1 by value. A copy of student1 will be passed to the function, so the original structure will not be modified. Print the original student's age before updating. This shows that the age of student1 is still 20 because the changes inside displayStudent only affected the copy. Calling the updateStudent function and passing the address of student1 by reference. The original student1 will be modified because we are passing the address, not a copy. Passing the address of student1 using the address of operator and Print the updated age of student 1 after the reference function has modified it. The original student's age is now 23, as modified by the function. Indicating that the program executed successfully. Now run our code. I really appreciate you watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.